Can't join any Roblox server because it keeps showing join error. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the join error issue in Roblox on your computer. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. First, delete Roblox app data files. To do this, open up Run. If you can't find it anywhere, just type Run in the search bar here and click on it. Then type %appdata% in here and press enter. The roaming folder should open up. Now click on App Data from the bar here and open up the local folder. Then scroll down, find Roblox folder. From here, delete analytics settings.xml, frm.cfg, and global basic settings _13.xml. Lastly, reopen Roblox and see if the error is gone. Solution 2. Also check whether Roblox is having any server outages. To do this, open up status.roblox.com in your favorite browser. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the video description below. Here you'll find the status of the Roblox server. If there are any outages going on, it will be listed here. As you can see, it's saying all systems operational, meaning there are no outages going on. If the servers were down, there's not much you could do except for wait for the Roblox team to fix the problem. So folks, that's how you get rid of the join error issue in Roblox. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching and see you next time.